G20 countries spent nearly $700 billion to support fossil fuels in 2021. On November 1, 2022, the Climate Policy Factbook was released by Bloomberg NEF and Bloomberg Philanthropies. What are the key findings of the Factbook? The G20 countries continued to provide substantial financial aid for fossil fuel production and consumption in 2021. In 2021, the financial aid provided for the fossil fuel reached the highest level since 2014, threatening the Paris Agreement's commitment to limit greenhouse gas emissions. Nearly $700 billion worth of subsidies were provided by the G20 members for coal, oil, gas and fossil fuel industries in 2021. This has increased investments in emission-intensive equipment and infrastructure, and promoted the inefficient fossil fuel consumption and production. Coal's share of G20 fossil fuel support is slowly declining. It fell to 2.9% in 2021 from 4.1% in 2016. However, $20 billion was invested for coal in 2021. This comes despite the growing efforts to phase out the coal. The recent G20 conference and COP26 pledged to phase out this fuel. China contributed to the highest share, 26%, of fossil fuel subsidy in 2020. However, it is lesser than other G20 members on a per capita basis. The country is behind Saudi Arabia, Argentina and Canada when per capita fossil fuel subsidy is considered. In 2020, Canada more than doubled its support for fossil fuels. The United States fossil fuel subsidies increased by 57% in 2020.